so frequently asked question. How much does it cost to sand and refinish my floor? So on all your solid hardwood floors, they should be able to be refinished. We can even sand and refinish some engineered floors. It's a specialty thing that we do that most companies don't have the technical know-how to do, but we can do it. So if you have an engineered floor that looks bad, it's been torn up, and you want to bring it back to life and make it look good, or you're about to sell your house, or whatever reason that you may have, and you want your floor to look brand new again, and you have engineered floors, make sure you call us at Wood Floors of Dallas and we'll take care of you. But let's just talk about general sanding and finishing. What we're doing is we're coming in, we're prepping the house so that way, we're keeping the dust down, all those good things. We're using our sanders and we're going over everything. We're bringing it back down to raw wood again, and then we're applying whatever treatment that you want, which is a hand scrape or a wire brush or just a smooth finish, whatever it is. And then we restain and we recoat the floor with 3 coats of polyurethane. Now, one thing to be aware of is if you have an engineered floor, really the best way to do that, depending on how thick the wear layer is at the top, is to hand scrape it and go darker than whatever color it is. On engineered floors, typically they don't have very thick wear layers, and so when you try to do a smooth finish, it doesn't typically come out right. And that's just the nature of the product. The veneer is very thin, and when we sand it, sometimes it gets below that first veneer. But that's not a big deal if you're going with a little bit darker stain and you're hand scraping, because all those imperfections disappear and your floor looks gorgeous and perfect, okay? But on a solid floor, we can change the stain color to whatever you want, and we could do multi-step process. We can make it white, we can make it gray, we can do iron acetate, we can make it brown again, or whatever color that you want. We can hand scrape it with the grain, hand scrape it against the grain, combination of both. We can do anything that you want, because that's what we do here. We're custom. So I can take care of you there. The price on it starts at $4.75 a square foot. If we're doing an add-on, that price drops to $3.75 a foot. And that is for $3.75 for a smooth finish. You add 50 cents for a hand scrape. Okay, so $4.25 for smooth finish refinish. $3.75 for smooth finish refinish if we're adding new material to the home, and then add 50 cents to those if we're going to add a hand scrape to it. Okay, so hope that helps. Hope that gives you a good idea of the pricing on a refinish. Look forward to talking to you. Call us 214-972-525-0026. My name is Hunter Ross. Company's Wood Floors of Dallas. Look forward to helping you. You can also send me an email at info@woodfloorsofdallas.com, and all of our social media is at woodfloordallas. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to talking to you, and I look forward to taking care of your project. Take care.